Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick walk around of my DIY awning. So it consists of 4 Coleman adjustable tent poles, which there's one here, one there, and one here. So there's 2 verticals and 2 horizontal ones. And then up at the truck and on this side there is 1/2 inch EMT conduit, which I have drilled out for each Coleman pole to go into, and screwed the tarp in with self-tapping sheet metal screws. It's a 8x6 tarp from Lowe's. Then I just have it zip tied up to my roof rack here all along, and then when I'm on the road I have it secured with some webbing straps that I got from somewhere, so it's really secure when you're going down the road. But when you're in camp, those zip ties are plenty strong, if y'all are wondering about that. And if it's real windy, I'll usually have 2 guy wires on each end of the poles going down to stakes. So it'll just go from down here to up there with a piece of string. And if it's raining real hard, I'll drop it down, have it at an angle so the water will run off. Because if it's level like that, it'll just pool up in the middle, and that's no good. So that's about it. Cost me about 80 bucks to build. Got the tarp from Lowe's, ordered the tent poles from Walmart.com, and got the metal conduit at Lowe's too, and just had some screws laying around. One thing I'm going to improve on it is this this connector right here. It's just a 1/2 inch conduit, 90-degree angle. There's some, I think it's Bimini, it's for tops on a boat, like a sunshade on a boat. I ordered some, but they were the wrong size, so I'm eventually going to order some and replace these with that, because that's a pain in the butt to put on with the poles not attached. And then with that, the pole would just swivel into the tarp when you roll it up. Another thing is, I've had this real cheap Lowe's tarp on here for about 1.5 years, maybe 2 years, and I'm going to upgrade it to a canvas tarp from Northern Tool. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.